Sunday evening update to get you through the overnight. Meteorologist Matt Noyce, 1 degree outside Weather Network. Just a reminder, you can track the live radar and watch where the snow is, and it's been pretty much everywhere, by getting our app. It's free, it's 5 stars, it's on the App Store and Google Play. And of course, our streaming network as well, live streaming over the course of the evening with some of the most intense snow coming through, and it was amazing, wasn't it? Thundersnow in spots, 3 and 4 inch per hour snow in spots. This was a classic textbook New England snowstorm. Heaviest snow is going to be tapering as we get to midnight to 1 a.m. for southern New England, a little bit later in northern New England. Look at the timing on the map here in a second. Blowing and drifting continues, though. Gusts to 30 and 35 miles per hour across various parts of New England here. The higher terrain, eastern New England, spreading up in through the state of Maine, blowing and drifting throughout the night and into Monday morning. Slightly milder onshore wind has been with us. You kind of peak as we get around and after midnight at the coast. Then you get a colder wind that's going to snap back in Monday with periods of lighter snow that'll be with us. And there is high coastal water on Monday morning. We've got a high tide right around 4:40 in the morning. The South Shore may find just right up to minor flood stage in spots, but you've got so much snow. I don't know that it actually ends up making it in anywhere. We'll see, but it's not going to be a big deal anyway. So you can see the predicted radar getting into Monday. Again, even at 9 in the morning, there's still snow coming down. There are definitely holes, though. Those holes actually start up as we get to the pre-dawn, 3, 4 in the morning. Then they expand a bit and they float around. And that's why I say it's periods of lighter snow during the course of your Monday. Here's the map at noontime. Again, definitely some big holes here, but also some big areas of snow. The snow tomorrow, though, is a totally different ballgame. It's going to average out to about maybe a quarter of an inch per hour. At times, it will burst to a half inch per hour. This is one of those times at 5 p.m., swinging in through eastern New England. Notice your temperatures after turning a little bit milder during the latter part of the overnight tonight, snapping back. By Monday midday or so, almost everybody, all the way down to southeastern Mass, has started to see the temperature falling through the 20s again. And this does mean a change in treatment that'll be needed here for some of the road crews, or if you treat parking lots and walkways, things of that nature. You're finally making progress, but then you're really solidifying things as we get to the course of the afternoon with the colder air. Look at Tuesday morning. I mean, we're talking about single digits to get the day started out. There is actually another disturbance Tuesday that comes by, but it's no big deal. There'll be some snow showers in northern and western New England. The rest of us, maybe a flurry that comes by later in the day, and that would be about the size of it. So when all of this is said and done, let's say through Tuesday morning, there's a big broad area of 12 to 18 inches of snow in the deep purple that you see across far southern portions of New England, a big area of 18 to 24. Now, some of this pink that you see would be 24 or greater. We think that's happening on the cold side of the coastal front that sets up near the coastline. Doing the same thing when you get into the eastern slopes of the Berkshires, for that matter, and up to the southern Greens. And when you run up the New Hampshire seacoast into Maine, you've had a little bit more as well, because, again, that coastal front has been parked right off the coastline in your case. The farther north that you go, you just start running out of moisture, so the amounts do start to drop off, especially as you get north through Maine. But this has been quite the storm for just about everybody in New England. Pretty impressive stuff here. And again, the biggest storm that we've seen on this scale for New England over the last 4 years or so. The wind chill for us, we get through Sunday night, below zero in spots. Again, by Monday, everybody's snapping into cold air and feeling like the teens for the most part as we get to Monday afternoon. Here's the weather map over the next couple of days in case you're curious about what comes next. Generally, it's just going to be cold air. It's going to be high temperatures in the teens north, 20s south over the coming days with the cold front that slides by at midweek. Not a lot of fanfare with that. And then again, even by the end of the week, there really isn't a lot to write home about. By the time we get to this weekend, I still think it's going to be cold without much in the way of storminess. There'll be storms developing offshore, but right now they look to be far enough away. If one were to come closer to us, it probably wouldn't be until the early part of next week, and that's a maybe. So we'll keep an eye on that. Just a reminder, if you like this stuff and you enjoy everything that we put out for free, you can support the mission if you'd like to. Membership.onedegreeoutside.com. That's how it looks for now, but certainly we'll have an update for you again in the morning. Keep the snow totals coming in. Don't forget, you can easily do it along with photos and video if you want using the Send to Us tab of our 1 Degree Outside weather app.